Here's another common audio problem that needs fixing. You have a recording with good audio, but the level isn't right and the pitches vary from right here where my cursor is. The high is pretty high here, but down in here the other tones are kind of low. So what I'd like to do is sort of equalize this and make this sound better. This is a narration that I got from a narrator's booth or a recording. She sent it to me via email. And let me play a little bit of it for you. It's real clean audio. There's nothing wrong with it dramatically, but let me play it for you.
Welcome to Susquehanna University, by all appearances the quintessential college campus. Many people say our 300...
The level is good. It's at minus 12 dB, but you notice here I've got a lot of high peaks up at the top, and then I've got most of the audio levels here. I'd kind of like to get this a little bit better compressed and sound better, and it's so easy in Audition, so I want to show you this. So if you get really good audio and you just want to fix it real easily, here's what you do. Separate the track and export it and save it as a sent file, so you know that you're working with a sent file. If you have men and women on the same show, move the men to one track and export that by itself, and move the women to another track and export that by themselves. Then go to the effects rack and click on De-Ess, limit female voiceover if you're working with female sound, and male voiceover if you're working with male sounds. Click on that now. I'll apply this. And what this does is it applies several filters. It applies a de-esser, which removes the sibilants in your S's. It compresses the file. It raises the level of the low things and cuts off the top level of the high things. So all I did was just one click, and let's listen to this again.
25-acre campus with magnificent buildings makes us one of the most beautiful schools in the country. But Susquehanna University...
That's much better than this.
...is more than great facilities. Susquehanna is where...
And it was very easy to do. So that is called De-Ess and limit female voiceover, or De-Ess and limit male voiceover. If you have a relatively clean audio track, I would try these first.